Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are looking at two powerful AI tools from Anthropic, Claude Code and Claude Desktop. One works like a smart terminal, the other like a helpful desktop buddy. So, which one should you use? First, Cloud Code. It is great for developers. You can give it whole code bases and it helps with debugging, refactoring, or writing new features, all in a terminal-like, code-first environment. If you're comfortable with DevTools and want control, this one is for you. Now, Cloud Desktop. This is more a visual experience. It's like having a smart assistant living on your computer. You can drag and drop files, ask it to summarize docs, help with spreadsheets, organize notes, or even automate tasks. Also, a clean and friendly GUI. Cloud Code is ideal for devs who live in the terminal. Cloud Desktop is for creators, students, or anyone who wants an intelligent desktop helper. So, what is better? If you are building software or managing complex code, Cloud Code is powerful and precise. If you want a smoother everyday experience with AI on your desktop, go with Cloud Desktop. Let me know which one you would choose below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech comparisons. Catch you next time.